Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about sequela of COVID-19 coronavirus. Sequela is a kind of symptoms, kind of after effect that still continues, although the disease is already disappeared. For example, now we have a lot of infected people in the world, and also we have a lot of people who recovered from coronavirus. But a lot of people are complaining about the sequela. There is a kind of symptom still continues, although they officially recovered from it. For example, a lot of people say fatigue. They feel tired all the time, and also they feel mental depression. They feel they lost their courage, a kind of confidence. They lost the confidence, and they lost the desire to work. What they did, they lost a kind of strength, mental strength. Yeah, one of my friend, she also recovered from coronavirus. I think about 6 months already, but she still complain the symptoms like depression, and she lose the hair, and also fatigue. She's how can I say, she doesn't want to talk a lot. Yeah, she was very how can I say, the bright personality before she was infected, but after the coronavirus she changed. Her personality changed a lot. So I think this is a new problem for us. Not just the infection, but after the coronavirus, a lot of people are suffering from some kind of symptoms. So today I'm going to talk about that in Chinese medicine view. Okay? So according to report and according to my friends, sequelas are mostly the fatigue and mental depression and hair loss or joint pain or chest pain or coughing or cognitive impairment. It is like her cognitive ability is not as good as before. For example, this person cannot smell well as before, or she still has a fever or palpitation or insomnia. Yeah, these kind of symptoms they complain. In TCM view, these kind of symptoms happened after the infectious disease. So usually Chinese TCM think this is deficiency of qi or deficiency of yin. Yeah, deficiency of qi and yin is a lot. And also you can consider a blood, deficiency of blood, rarely deficiency of yang. So qi, yin, blood and yang, you can consider these 4 factors, and then you can depending on the symptoms you can modify the formulas. For example, the one formula that will be very useful will be Shengmai San. This formula can tonify qi and yin. Okay, so someone who lost a lot of sweat and feel very much tired, especially in the summertime, Shengmai San it will be very useful as well. And I think this formula can be applied to the sequela of COVID-19. And also Liu Jinzhi can tonify qi of spleen and also eliminate phlegm and then calm the vomit, that kind of thing. Sichuan Dabutang can tonify qi and blood, similar to Bajantang. Bajantang is 8 ingredients of herbs to tonify qi and blood, and Sichuan Dabutang is similar to that. Okay, and Gui Pi Tang to tonify spleen and when someone has insomnia because of spleen deficiency and blood. 땅괴 부쇠탕. This formula can also tonify blood. Luwe di huangwan can nourish the inner body. And my way di huangwan, if someone has very much dryness. Yeah, if someone has difficulty in, how can I say, breathing, or how can I say, dyspnea. Someone has dyspnea. This is a deficiency of lung. It can be deficiency of qi or the deficiency of yin, and the patient can have phlegm. Correct? So in the case, we can use Baihogujintang. It tonifies inner lung, and then it can calm the coughing. Okay. We have a lot of formulas to tonify and nourish the body, and I think we need to consider these formulas to treat the sequela. It will be very useful for all herbalists, and I hope a lot of patients will look for herbalists to treat their problems for sequela of coronavirus. Okay, thank you.